So what I've got 6 papers in order. They're called paper A, paper B, C, D, E, and F. They're all from a college called Dulwich College. It's Year 7 entrance scholarship. So basically the same as the 11 plus, essentially. It is just the 11 plus, and then this is the answers for each one. So these are all specimen papers, and so we've just got 6 different specimen papers, and then the answers. So this is paper A, question paper, answer, paper B, question paper, answer, and so on. I've got a video ready to show how to find these question papers and more yourself. So, and then you can click on that link to get the question papers and then find the answers there. Here's another example here I've got on the right. Now, how do you actually work with these? Well, to actually write on them, well, first of all, you can just click on one that you want to work with. If you want to print it off, then I would suggest you click on this button here, which is going to send you to the source. That opens it up within my Google Drive. And then you can just print it off by clicking here, save it, whatever you want to do. And then you would have to send a picture of your completed work. And you could use this to mark it. If you want to work with it in the whiteboard, well, you've got 2 more options. The other thing you can do is you can double click on it again, open it up again, and you can work on it with Kami. What I would suggest you do if you do work it on with Kami is to save it within your own Google Drive folder, because if you edit it with Kami, it means it's edited for everybody else. So in fact, it probably won't let you do that. So if you do want to work on it with Kami, like I can edit it using Kami, but because you can't edit my Google Drive folder, then you would have to save it yourself. So you can save it by going up here, and then you should be able to make a copy somehow. I'm not quite sure how to make a copy actually, but you should be able to make a copy somehow. In fact, you can certainly make a copy if you go to one of these folders up there and make a copy that way. So, and the third option is to work on it in the whiteboard. So to do that, you go to, well, what I would do is take a copy again. Let's say I wanted to work on it up here. I'll take a copy, Control C, Control V, and then I would go, hang on a second. All right, so it looks like for some reason when you make a copy of it, it doesn't let you extract the pages. So let's just delete that. Now, this is what you want. You want to click on this thing. This is extracting the pages. You probably want to extract all the pages like that. And then it does get a little bit messy for a moment. We'll wait a moment, and then it will appear. There it is. Lots and lots and lots and lots of papers now. Gets a bit messy because if you look, they're all over the top of everything else. So we want to, at the moment they're grouped, so you drag them up like that, and now you've got all the pages. So wherever you want to work on them, you can then zoom in and start working on them. It's not in focus at the moment for some reason. Okay, so it looks like at the moment, for some reason, mine's not downloaded it all completely. If you have any problems with downloading it, I guess you'll have to use the print it off and so on. But what should happen is you should just be able to work with it on the whiteboard. So, but if not, you can, just to show you that it definitely is all there. If I open it up normally, I can flick through it. See, there are all the questions like that. So that should appear on the Miro, but sometimes, I don't know, some sort of problems.